How to download games on your Oculus Quest 2. Hey everyone, welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll show you how you can download games on your Oculus Quest 2 headset. So to do that, first of all, make sure you are connected to Wi-Fi. Now once you're connected to Wi-Fi, you can see the option store which is right over here, and if you don't find it, simply go to your app library, and there of course you will see the option Oculus Store. Simply tap on it. After that, you will be taken to this page where you'll have to simply go to games, and then you can simply scroll down and then view all of the games shown over here. Now if you want to filter them by genre, ratings, pricing, game mode, language, player mode, controller, sale type, etc., you can simply filter them by here. So for now, let me simply choose action games. After that, it'll show you the list of all of the different action games on Oculus Store. So there might be some which cost money, and there might be some games which are free. So if you want to download free games, you'll have to scroll down, and then where it says pricing, simply tap on the option free. After that, it'll provide you a list of all of the different free action games on Oculus. And now, let's say you find the game you want to download, simply tap on it. After that, where it says get, simply tap on the option get. And now, simply tap on the option download, and then the download will start. So that is basically how you download any game on your Oculus. That was it for this video. Hope this video was helpful to you guys, and if it was, make sure you like this video and subscribe to our channel so that you don't miss out on further videos such as these.